Hey my loves, so I am super excited to share with you guys today my Glam Bag X collection. I picked the best of the best versatile products that you can use for an everyday look or an evening glam. First off, we have our Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. I love our Easy Bake Powder so much for many reasons. One, it absorbs all the shine in the right places. It also keeps your makeup in place really well, and it also gives me a little bit of a blurring effect. Next, we have our Huda Beauty Haze mini palettes. I am obsessed with these palettes. I actually use the khaki to create this look. I use some really beautiful browns all over the lid, and I use this gorgeous shimmery color. Both of them have these kind of like duochrome shades, as well as kind of these like really high impact shimmers. You guys know our mattes are super pigmented, and I love the fact that you get so much impact just using a couple of shades. This is the Sunday Riley Clean Rinse. I love this rinse for my scalp. I like to use it when I have a lot of buildup in my hair. I feel like it really helps kind of cleanse everything and to make sure that your scalp is really nice and healthy. It has micellar water as well as a lot of other great ingredients that just help keep everything clean. They're kind of gentle. They're not too abrasive for your scalp as well. It just keeps your hair follicles really healthy. We also have one of our best-selling scents, Kayali Vanilla 28. I love the smell of our Vanilla 28 so much. How do I describe it? It's kind of a warm, delicious, a little gourmandy vanilla. It has amber, a lot of like sensual vanilla. It's just delicious. You're gonna want to smell yourself. You might even want to lick yourself because it smells that good. These are just a few of my babies that are in my Glam Bag X collab. I'm really excited for you guys to see it. There's a lot more in there. The collection drops November. Make sure you guys head to IPSY.com to get all the details there and find out how you can get your Glam Bag X.